guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account on the Discord app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here we just tap on register, and here we select email. Here we can type in our email address, then we tap on next. Here we add our name. We tap on next again. Here we can set up a password. Afterwards, here we can set our date of birth, like this, like this, like this. And then we tap on this, then we tap on create an account, confirm, and yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Just some tests, don't allow, skip, like this, next, and that's basically it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.